Hey guys, back training here. So today is another vacuum that we're gonna do a review. And this vacuum that we will be doing a review is the Hoover Pet Max Complete. So I also bought this machine at Goodwill. So when I first bought it, the smell is like, it stinks and it's horrible. It has not been cleaned out. So I took it all apart, cleaned it out, and I did use some of the laundry beads to make this machine smell good. And I also had to put a new belt on it because the belt it was in bad shape. So, but anyway, go ahead and do this review. You've got wind tunnel, got the advanced action brush roll. You also got height adjustments, go from bare floor low to high pole carpet. And here's the brush roll. So, you also have the brush roll on and off. If you're about to go to carpet, you just push that and go to hardwood floor, you push the button off. And here is the dirt cut. You just push this button on top. And to empty, you just push the button down. And right here you have the cyclone filter. And the smell of the laundry beads, it's super strong. Right here on the bottom you have the HEPA filter, which is nice and clean. Yeah, it was super dirty when I bought it. And you just put it back on. Right here you got the tools. You have the turbo brush, well, which is not supposed to look like it, but yeah, here's the turbo brush. Not really sure if this one works. It's also missing the crevice tool. I do have an extra one. You also have a multi-angle dusting brush, which is kind of cool. And right here you have, well, first off, take the cord off. You also have the hose. To prove it, you just push the button on the back. And right here you have the hose. So, and also, you also got the one as well. And right here on the back is your cord clip. You also have your on and off switch. And your foot release is right here. You just that. Oh yeah, almost forgot. There's another filter. It's on the back. And the filter, yeah, it wasn't really that dirty, but you just clip it back on. Alright, so now I will go ahead and do a demonstration. So I'll just go ahead and plug it in. Now, I used to have the other Hoover Pet well, the exact same machine, but it's basically different. So, anyway, let's go ahead and run this thing. What's really interesting is that when we're about to vacuum, like like when you press the full release, the brush roll turns on, and then when you're all done, the brush roll turns off, which is interesting. I've never seen a vacuum like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the Hoover Pet Max Complete. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. Peace.